excited that the sun has come up because about 10 minutes ago it was a lot darker. We are doing well. We got another race car here. Good morning, people, and happy Sunday. It is October 26th, 2025, and it is the 6th annual New Lenox Cars and Coffee Trunk or Treat event. I am a little bit behind, but not too behind. We are headed to Gost early to get a photo booth set up, get the car parked, and kind of just get ready in case anybody else is there early. I wanted to be there about 10 minutes ago, but that's okay. We're gonna head there now. I am excited that the sun has come up because about 10 minutes ago it was a lot darker. So let's head to the event, get a little bit set up. I am not as prepared this year, but that is okay. Still have the trunk decorated a little bit, but not as nice as last year. And I usually make these little goodie bags, and we didn't get around to doing that this year. So let's get there. Okay, I'm excited. We are doing well. We got garbage, we got people here. Nice. There's a truck over there. I thought that thing was gonna stay there. We got two race cars. What's up, buddy? Hey, are you the guy that owns this? Yeah. Nice. I am Eric. I run the New Lenox Cars and Coffee. Okay, yeah. So things are awesome.
Thank you.
All right. What a gorgeous day. Battle of the...
See, but that's crazy because your view is out front.
Yeah.
Mine isn't.
I also have view on the back so I can see what's going on.
Maybe there's a setting for it because it gives me my information here instead.
Love the truck. Good. We got another race car here. What's up, guys? Hey. You got it here.
Yeah.
How are you?
How are you? Good.
Hello.
What's up, buddy?
I just parked the truck across the street.
That should be all good. So, I love these little guys.
Yeah. Yeah, the Gost stickers on the other side. Go figure.
And here's our beautiful photo backdrop. It's already shaping up to be a good morning. Hey, you guys know who's got this clunker?
Yeah.
Hey,
Cash for clunkers ended in...
Cash for clunkers. Can we get this thing out of here?
For clunkers, man. Got a hunter.
Yeah, it's a never-ending battle, but he'll learn. You already know. You already been down that road.
You know, Jason was afraid to bring because he didn't want to take the bait from you.
I don't want to be invisible, man.
Hey, just like the NBA, I heard there's an illegal gambling. There's an illegal gambling ring for New Lenox Cars and Coffee
Your bets right
to see
here.
if I'm gonna post a 4th gen or not.
Give me all your money. Good turnout as always, man. Good weather.
What another amazing event. Oh man, I don't know how much I got filmed, but this was so great to see everybody. I gotta pack up my car. Oh, all the candy is gone. Look at that. All right, as I was saying, what another great event. This may have been one of our best trunk or treats and definitely a top event for the year. It was so awesome to see people and all the kids. There was a ton of kids this year. The weather could not have been better. Thank you to New Lenox, I think it's ESDA Emergency Services. Thank you for coming and directing traffic. I'm gonna try to throw in some drone shots or videos. One of our good buddies, Steve, was able to get some drone shots for us. I'm just buzzing. What a great event. I absolutely loved it. I will see you guys. We have one more season ender toy drive. I know it's going to be in November. I know it's going to be cold. Please stop by, even if it's not your fun car. Let's support those kids, and thank you so much for one heck of a season. I can't believe we're almost coming to an end. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we got to figure out what we're going to be filming come winter time.